A massive controversy erupting over Centre's notice to Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. She has been asked to vacate the government bungalow that was allotted to her at the posh Lodhi Road in Delhi by 1st of August. In a letter, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs cited withdrawal of SPG protection as the reason to vacate the government bungalow, which is in one of Delhi's most protected zones. But hitting out at Prime Minister Modi directly, the Congress party is saying the move shows that he was unnerved by Priyanka Gandhi's political activities in the state of Uttar Pradesh. While Congress spokesperson Randeep Singh Surjewala alleged that the government was blinded by revenge and the party would not be deterred by such notices. Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh has appealed the government to withdraw the order in the interest of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's safety. Sources say Priyanka was already mulling to move to Lucknow to focus more on the politics in the state of Uttar Pradesh, of which she also holds a position in the party. Sources say the move was stalled due to the coronavirus pandemic.
मोदी जी, आपका और आदित्यनाथ जी का विचलन भरा तरीका पूरा देश जानता है, क्योंकि प्रियंका गांधी जी उत्तर प्रदेश में सक्रिय हैं और भाजपा की सरकार के कारनामों को बार बार उजागर करती हैं। अब तो सरकार इतनी गिर गई कि प्रियंका गांधी जी के मकान को खाली करवाने का नोटिस दे दिया। प्रियंका गांधी इंदिरा गांधी की पोती हैं, राजीव गांधी की बेटी हैं। न प्रियंका गांधी और न कांग्रेस नेतृत्व इस प्रकार के फर्जी नोटिसों से डरने वाला। एक नहीं 100 मकान खाली करवाइए, परंतु इस देश की आवाज बनने से आप हमें रोक नहीं सकते।
Priyanka ji has enjoyed 23 years and now the decision has been taken that she has to vacate because she is no more SPG protected. But having said that, the rules are the same for everyone. Dynastic democracy has come to an end. It seems it is a reality now. So this dynastic democracy which we lived earlier has come to an end, it seems.
व्यक्ति वही है, थ्रेट परसेप्शन वही है, सिर्फ सिक्योरिटी एजेंसी बदलने से वो सब कुछ बदल जाता है। राजनीति इतनी तुच्छ और निम्न स्तर पर पहुंच जाएगी, कभी अंदाज नहीं लगाया जा सकता है।
देखो भैया, जनधन पे कितने मजे करोगे? अब तो जनता यही पूछ रही है कि अब और घर का तेरे कितना हम सम्मान करें, तुम्हें करें, तेरे बच्चों को भी सलाम करें। तो जनता तो ये आज पूछ रही है। अब जिन कारणों से हुआ वो कारण अब है नहीं, सिक्योरिटी के रीज़न से, सिक्योरिटी का एसपीजी जो कवर था उसके रीज़न से, तो इसको पॉलिटिकल रूप में देखना ही नहीं चाहिए। एक सामान्य सी जो प्रक्रिया है वो है तमाम बीजेपी के लीडर्स और तमाम बीजेपी के नेताओं को भी घर भी खाली करने पड़े, और जो भी सुरक्षा एजेंसियों ने तैयारियां की हैं उसके हिसाब से क्या इस पे भी पॉलिटिक्स।
After spending 2 decades of time here in the Lutyens Delhi's bungalow number 35 at Lodhi Estate, Priyanka Gandhi is now shifting base to Uttar Pradesh, and this has come after the government has withdrawn the accommodation from Priyanka Gandhi after the SPG cover which was withdrawn in early November 2019. Following that, since there is no entitlement of Priyanka Gandhi because neither she is the member of parliament or in any terms which is where she is entitled to have such accommodation. The Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh also appealed central government to rethink over the decision withdrawing the residential accommodation in the national capital which was earlier allotted to Priyanka Gandhi. But now what we know that the bill was also floated during this tenure after SPG security is withdrawn, which has already been paid off, and now Priyanka Gandhi is all set to move Uttar Pradesh in Lucknow. Right outside at her bungalow here in Lutyens, Delhi, with Ajay Thakur, this is Ashutosh Mishra reporting for India Today.
So if Priyanka Gandhi Vadra does shift base to Lucknow, where could she reside? India Today now brings you this report from one bungalow in Lucknow, which belongs to Rajiv Gandhi's great aunt. Take a look.
Right now we are outside a house which is called Call House in Lucknow, which is situated in Lucknow on Gokhale Marg, where Priyanka Gandhi is going to shift from Delhi. This decision was taken earlier in 2019, but after decision by her Housing and Urban Ministry, they served notice to Priyanka Gandhi to vacate the residence in Delhi, which is on Lodi Road. She decided to shift her base in Lucknow for further strategy and planning for party's upliftment in Uttar Pradesh. This is very important decision by Priyanka Gandhi because this is the place which is going to be very happening in coming Vidhan Sabha elections in Uttar Pradesh, and she had earlier decided to shift here, but due to lockdown and corona infection period, she deferred that decision. But right now what sources are suggesting that she will shift anytime soon here and strategize for parties strengthening the party, Congress party in Uttar Pradesh. And this movement is very important because Priyanka Gandhi used to come here for 20-15 days earlier, but later she decided to not to move due to coronavirus infection situation, pandemic situation in the state, and finally she decided to shift here in Lucknow, and she will look after party's movement and her strategy for upcoming Vidhan Sabha elections in Uttar Pradesh. So party has decided that this bungalow was renovated last year in 2019, and this belongs to Sheila Kaul, which is close relative of Indira Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, and this residence will be new residence of Priyanka Gandhi in Lucknow. With camera person Harish Kanpal, this is Shivan Shrivastava for India Today in Lucknow.
Right, so that could be the possible residence of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Munish Pandey now joining me on the phone line. Munish, clearly this is where the BJP government has managed to score a brownie, saying they are ensuring the VVIPs like that are out of government bungalows. But how is the Congress reacting? Really, what is their plan of action? How are they possibly planning to use this opportunity to their gain, if at all?
Yeah, well, Pooja, it is very interesting. We saw that Captain Amrinder Singh has requested the government that she should be given back the bungalow, given the security. But as of now, we have not seen any direct reaction from Gandhi family or Priyanka Gandhi, who has been very vocal about this government.
Yes.
Probably, maybe she doesn't want to give this matter very importance, and that is why when two notices were sent to her by the Urban Development Ministry, one was to vacate the residence within a month, and second was to pay rupees 3.46 lakh, which was a pending due against the bungalow. Even that money was, paid by Priyanka Gandhi online within few hours. But no reaction has come out from Priyanka Gandhi or any senior leader from Gandhi family or Congress party apart from Amrinder Singh. So it seems that Priyanka Gandhi is all set to vacate this bungalow, this government bungalow. And according to government sources, MHA wrote a letter on 30th June that her security was downgraded to Z+ from SPG, and that is why she is not eligible for any government bungalow according to 2002, according to government guidelines.
And also, Munish, another question that does come to mind: what if Priyanka Gandhi would have decided to by herself vacate this bungalow? Could that also be an opportunity for Congress by itself? Munish Pandey, thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.